Hey everybody, it's Neil. Check out this. This is going to be a torque wrench, and we're going to give this thing a try. I'll show you guys what it looks like in here. I'll open it up. It's got a nice box, so it's nice that it'll keep it protected. And then this is what it looks like inside of it here. So here we have our torque wrench here. So this will be good for my lug nuts and whatnot for my car. So here we go. So we can set our different torques on it by, I guess we rotate. Oh, it's kind of cool. You turn it, you push it down so you can set it and then let go. So right now it's set for torque foot-pounds. So we have, I guess it's 14 or 14. So yeah, you can kind of see it's got the little settings on it right there and there for. We have foot-pounds, and then we have NM. And then if you've used a torque wrench before, you'll know when you turn it to the right when it kind of makes a clicking sound. So we're going to try it out with the car, and we'll show you guys what it does.